Love you, you idiot.
You're like a son to me. I'm with you because I love you.
But you're still my best mate.
I'm gonna miss him so much.
Life's too short to even care. Losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control.
Been thinking a lot about Jackson since he knew he was a prisoner. He found a way out.
Aaron?
My name is Aaron Livesey.
My name is Jackson Walsh.
The guilt that I have to carry with me for what I did. My dad repeatedly raped me.
I killed.
Dad raped me.
Guilty.
You're scared of being happy.
You love yourself so much you cut yourself to shreds.
You should have just left me there.
I'm not gonna sit here listening to you wishing you were dead, Aaron.
Quite easy to list what's wrong with my life, isn't it?
Your dad, he ruined you.
I killed him. And now I've got to pay for that.
Not exactly easy to work.
You're cutting yourself to shreds and you don't think it matters.
It just helps. I still wish I was dead. I hate myself.